This video will teach you how to visually display a timeline of events in Microsoft Word. Change the page layout to landscape mode. Click the Layout tab at the top of Word. Click Orientation. Click Landscape. Click the Insert tab. Click SmartArt on the toolbar. Click the Process menu. Click a timeline layout. Hover your mouse cursor over a timeline preview to see its name, and then click to add it to your document. Click any of the text markers. Enter the text for this event. Repeat for all other placeholder text. Click one of the timeline markers. Click the SmartArt Design tab. Click Add Shape. Select Add Shape After or Add Shape Before. Enter the event's text next to the empty bullet in the text pane. Move an event. Just right-click the event you want to move on the text pane and select Move Up or Move Down as needed. Change the colors. Click any element in the timeline. Click the SmartArt Design tab if it doesn't open automatically. Click Change Colors in the toolbar at the top. Select a different color theme. Apply a new style. Click the SmartArt Design tab. Click the menu on the SmartArt Styles tab, and then choose an effect. Switch to a different timeline layout. Just scroll through the layouts on the Layouts panel and choose the one you want. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.